How to view groups on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view groups on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, just you will find the groups here. Click on it, and as you see here you can view groups and you can join any group you want just by click here and then click join group. And that's how to find groups on Roblox mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.